Hello everyone, welcome to all of you in my YouTube channel. Uh, this is me Premraj Joshi. In today's video, I just want to talk about the importance of innovation or the discovery from the childhood, from the school days. I just want to highlight. Basically, education is such that which try to motivate our school children, our students for innovation, so that they can innovate new ideas, they can discover new things, right? Sometimes in our society, there is one concept, or I can say there is one misconception that scientific discoveries only occur after you reach to very high grades, for example in masters or phd level, generally basically in the research degrees. But uh, before reaching to that level also, students are also competent, students are also capable, right? And especially in today's time where students have so much resources, so much ai tools over there, so actually nowadays, teachers should try to motivate their students for the innovation, for the discovery, along with the content knowledge, right? So uh, when teacher will motivate that, sometimes what happens in school education system, school teachers or schools administration only focus on the content knowledge, so that they revise the content so many times, and they allow students to write the answers so many times, practice and drill type, we can say, so that they can get good marks, and they can get good marks. And sometimes, in most of the schools look only for the results only, because schools are also graded sometimes in terms of how much result they secured in the society. So by this, what is the drawback of this system is that to some extent, content knowledge is also important. I'm not saying that content knowledge is useless. That is also important, because unless and until the student able to gather content knowledge, he cannot innovate or discover new ideas. But I just want to highlight that students or teachers should try to motivate them